We have a new abstract flash badge. It's this one here, the In the Moment Abu Dhabi badge. I already talked about this in my previous video. This one here, I teased it that there might be a new flash badge. Also, if you haven't watched it, there's some hints on some free mints that give you soulbound tokens from Pengu Clash. So make sure to check out the video. I'm gonna link it here, but this one here will be short and only focus on a step-by-step guide on how to claim this new flash badge because you don't have a lot of time. This one is urgent. This is the abstract portal. If you don't know what it is, make sure to check out my abstract series where I have a complete abstract guide as well on how to get started. And this one here might become your first flash badge. The beauty of this is you only have 3 mints that you need to do, so it only costs a little bit of gas fees, and they are not a lot on abstract, so this is great. Let's dive right in. I switched this, you probably noticed it, to dark mode. Finally, we have a dark mode. I love dark mode. And now we go to app, and this is all on gate. And what you need to do is you need to click on connect wallet, other, and then connect your abstract global wallet. So it's a bit hidden. They want you to connect with your gate wallet, but you need the abstract global wallet. Connect your wallet, and then preview opens up a new window. It might be a pop-up if you don't have it full screen as I have right now, and the translations are terrible. Let me try to switch this to English. Here we go. Language English. Now this is way better. Powered by Abstract, how to participate, collect across 4 iconic races, complete the set, enter for a chance to win prizes. So this is number 4 already. And here we are, this is the last one. And we are on day 1. You need to mint this on all 3 days. If you miss one of those days, for the last ones we had the extra phase where you could still mint this. For day 1, you can actually do 2 free mints and we're gonna hit collect. It's as easy as that. It's actually completely free. There's no gas fees. They sponsor this, so approve this. Let's give it a second. In progress, transaction has been submitted. You can see this here. As of right now, when I'm recording this video, there's 14 hours left. I will publish this shortly after, so you still got plenty of time to mint day 1. But again, in the extra phase, in case you watch this after day 1 or day 2, you still got some time to do some social tasks and still claim it. Transaction has been submitted. It takes some time apparently, but you can also go here, approve this message, and then both transactions have been submitted, and that's basically it. You can't claim this because you need to mint all 3 days of the Red Bull Racing Abu Dhabi Open Edition mint. Open edition means you can mint, or as many people can mint as they want. And we can see here, this, I'm in a way right now. They both have been confirmed. Congratulations. And now I should also see them in my abstract global wallet. I'm going to show you this in a second, but that's it for day 2. You also have here the standard ones, mint the free ones. You don't need to mint the paid ones. There might be some perks down the line or experience points, but me personally, I'm just gonna go with the free ones. And then for day 3, we have the same 2 free mints. And then if you go back to your global wallet from Abstract, you can see this here, profile, then you go to NFTs, and here we go, we see both of them. And if you have all 6 of the free mints for the 3 days, then you will be eligible to claim the badge. So do not worry if you can't claim this right now. It's normal because you will only be able to do this after you minted all 3 days. And if you missed it, there's this extra phase once again where you can actually get this. Still via doing some social tasks, but the easiest way is to just mint it on the days for free. The gas is sponsored. So that's how you get the newest in the moment Abu Dhabi badge. Thank you so much for watching, under 5 minutes, and see you in the next video.